Hi everyone, Ed Derovic here. Today is the 2nd of May, as you can see up here, and we have a ECB press conference coming up in about 7 minutes. So what I wanted to do really quickly is guide you through what I'm expecting to happen and what we have already planned today in the trading room to occur. So basically what we have is a minor long zone right here between 31.30 and about 31.15, so about a 15 to 20 pip initial long zone and the major long zone right here. Now we also have a short zone right up at 32.15 to 32.30, so another about 15 pips, and slightly higher as well. So what we're actually expecting at the moment, let's take a look back at the Forex Factory news really quickly, and there we go. So what the participants in the market are actually expecting is a 0.25% cut in the ECB minimum bid rate. Now what is likely to happen is obviously they're expecting a cut, so if we do not get a cut, that's going to be bad for the euro, so we're going to be looking to short it. Now we're not going to look to short it at a level which is, let's go back to the charts. So okay, so now just be aware of what the market is expecting. They're expecting a 0.25%, so a quarter of a percent cut in the minimum bid rate. Okay, so what we're looking to do here is, if we do get a cut to the expected value and we get a little bit of a reaction push down to here, so if we get an expected cut and we get a reaction to our minor long zone, then we're going to look to buy, place the stop loss around about here at 3110. However, if the number is if they do not cut the rate and it stays the same, and we get a little bit of a push up to here, then we're going to look to short it right here. So those are the two things that we're going to be waiting for. In the press conference there is going to be a lot of volatility, so we will get entries either here or here. However, if the news that comes out is bad, we're not going to look to take these longs, and if the news is good, then we're going to look to take an initial long here, and then if that doesn't work out, we'll take another long here with the stop loss just below at 30.70. So if the news is bad, then we're going to look for some sort of a reaction upwards before we take a short trade. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna pause the video and we're gonna listen to the news as it comes out directly. Alright guys, so we're about 30 seconds away from the okay, there you go, 30 seconds away from the announcement. We're gonna hear a lot of blabbering from the news squawk together with the numbers. So let's have a look whether they cut it. If they don't cut it, then it should tank. And if they do cut it and we're in this long zone, then we're going to take the trade.
Cuts main revenue rates. Cut 25. So cut 25 as expected. 5%.
Alright, there you go guys. So they've basically slipped me quite a bit on the entry. I did attempt to enter while price was there, but there was a big difference in spread. So that's it. Now we're looking to target the minor short zone initially. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my stop loss to break even right here. We're already in about 30 pips profit, so let's just do that really quickly. Okay, just to recap on what we did, and just to tell you what's happening at the moment is I have a buy order right here, but the reason this line is red is because my stop loss is a break even. We are targeting the minor short zone right here at 32.20, so another about 60 pips away from where we are at the moment. We are at break even, and I did get slipped quite a bit on the entry, but there you go. I pressed buy while we were right here, but it doesn't matter. That's what happens in high volatile times. So we are risk free at the moment, and we're looking to target this minor short zone. So I'll be back a little while later with the result of this trade. Hey guys, okay, so it's just the turn of the hour right now, and we haven't really managed to penetrate into the middle of a short zone, initial short zone just now. So what, okay, the hour's just turned, and what I wanted to show you is I wanted to go back down on a 5-minute chart to tell you, if you basically missed this trade, how you would look to enter it. So the bottom of the trade is there, the top of the trade is up there at the moment, and okay, it is pushing up. But basically what you would look to do is take out the Fibonacci tool from the bottom to the top, look for a retracement to the 50 to 61.8, so around about here, and notice there's this green line here as well, which we love to take trades around, as you can see here, overlapping with the 50% Fibonacci retracement. So if you're looking to take this long, a decent setup would be around about here, or at least wait for a retracement down to the 32.8. Do not buy up here. I mean, if it runs away, it runs away. If you miss the trade, you miss the trade. But yeah, it's, I mean, if you're gonna buy up here, where would you place the stop? It would have to be somewhere reasonable, so your risk reward ratio is out of whack, and it's just not a very smart thing to do. So we're looking to wait up until here. A new hour has started, and we are basically touching our minor short zone. Now what I'm looking to do is I'm looking just to exit this trade. I have placed take profit up here. I have placed a take profit right here. However, for the purposes of this video, and just so I can move on, I'm gonna close this trade, and you can see there's already about 60 pips profit anyway, because we entered at 31.40. 31.45. At the moment it's 32.06. So I'll go ahead and close this trade, and if you guys want to find out how we planned the trade, why we planned this zone, why we planned this zone, and why taking the trade right here was not difficult for me, then post a comment or get in touch with me via email, and I'll show you. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.